previous reel we talked about the stages of time series analysis, and one was the last point was stationarity. So there are three rules that are actually linked with stationarity. So first is that you have a constant mean. This means that there is no trend in that there is no trend in data. The data doesn't go up, the data doesn't go down, it is just flat. So in real world it is impossible to have such kind of thing. So we will talk about this how we solve this problem afterwards. But the next thing comes around rule 2, that is constant variance. Is the even if it is flat, right, but the variance, the up and down, the difference between the amplitude, right, the high and the low values, that should be constant throughout. But it is also impossible to have in real world scenarios. So this is the second rule. We will discuss how it is actually structured afterwards or handled afterwards. And then you have a third rule, that is constant autocorrelation, that the data that is going to tomorrow is present or dependent on today's data. So this is autocorrelation, and this is also actually not an ideal case in real world scenarios. So we'll talk about this how we are going to treat this afterwards in further stages.